Wealth creation is something that many people aspire to, but only a few achieve. The path to wealth is not an easy one, and there are many reasons why many people fail to achieve it. Let's look at the 7 common reasons why people fail to become wealthy. Lack of financial education. Many people lack the necessary financial education to create wealth. Financial education is essential for making wise financial decisions and managing money effectively. A lack of financial education can lead to poor financial decisions, such as overspending or investing in the wrong stocks. Financial education can also help you to understand the power of compound interest and the benefits of investing in assets that appreciate over time, such as real estate or stocks. If you lack financial education, you can benefit from attending financial seminars or hiring a financial advisor to guide you. Fear of risk is another common reason why people fail to become wealthy. Wealth creation often requires taking calculated risks, such as starting a business or investing in the stock market. However, many people are too scared to take these risks and miss out on potential opportunities to increase their wealth. To overcome this fear, you should start by educating yourself about the risk involved and the potential rewards. You can also start small by investing in low-risk assets or starting a side hustle while keeping your day job. Procrastination. Procrastination is a major roadblock to wealth creation. Many people put off taking action on their financial goals, such as saving for retirement or starting a business. They may believe that they have plenty of time to start, but time slips away and they never get started. To overcome procrastination, you should set clear goals, create a plan of action, and break it down into small, manageable steps. You can also hold yourself accountable by setting deadlines and tracking your progress. Lack of discipline. Wealth creation requires discipline. Many people lack the discipline to stick to a financial plan. They may spend impulsively, fail to save regularly, or invest wisely. Without discipline, it is challenging to achieve long-term financial goals. To develop discipline, you should create a budget and stick to it. Automate your savings and avoid impulse purchases. You can also seek the support of accountability partners or a financial advisor to help you stay on track. Poor time management. Time is a valuable resource, and how you spend your time can impact your financial success. Many people waste time on unproductive activities such as watching TV or scrolling through social media instead of using that time to invest in themselves or their financial goals. To improve your time management, you should identify your priorities and focus on the activities that will bring you closer to achieving those goals. You can also delegate tasks or outsource them to free up more time for activities that create value. Inadequate networking. Networking is crucial for wealth creation, but many people fail to invest in building relationships that can help them achieve their financial goals. Building a network of contacts, mentors, and advisors can help provide valuable guidance, support, and opportunities. To improve networking, you should attend industry events, join professional organizations, or seek out mentorships or coaching. You can also use social media platforms to connect with like-minded individuals and build relationships that way. Lack of persistence. Many people fail to become wealthy because they lack persistence. Wealth creation is not an overnight process, and it requires persistence and determination to overcome obstacles and achieve financial success. Many people give up too soon or fail to stick to their financial plans over the long term. To develop persistence, you should adopt a growth mindset and view setbacks as opportunities for growth. You can also seek support from a mentor or coach and celebrate small wins along the way. Becoming wealthy is not an easy feat, and many people fail to achieve it due to various reasons. Whether it's a lack of financial education, fear of risk, procrastination, lack of discipline, poor time management, inadequate networking, or lack of persistence, the road to wealth creation is full of obstacles. However, with the right mindset, skills, and support, Anyone can overcome these obstacles and achieve financial success. It requires a commitment to lifelong learning, taking calculated risks, developing discipline, managing time effectively, building a network of supportive relationships, and never giving up on your financial goals. If you like what I do, the best way to support me is to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This gets my videos out to a wider audience. I want you to get the most out of your money. And as always, see you next time.